Welcome to my channel.
Realme 9 Pro 5G Android 13 Open Beta program starts rolling out. Realme 9 Pro 5G users in India will get the Android 13 Open Beta program. The Chinese company had announced the Android 13 Early Access program for the handset last month. Realme 9 Pro users in India are eligible to apply for the program. The handset launched in India in February this year, features a 120Hz refresh rate display and is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 SoC. The smartphone runs on Android 12 out of the box with Realme UI 3.0 on top. It comes with a triple rear camera setup led by 64-megapixel primary sensor. The handset packs a 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W Dart Charge fast charging. Realme has announced the Android 13 Open Beta program for the Realme 9 Pro 5G on the Realme community forum. The Realme 9 Pro 5G users with the RMX3471_11_A.42, RMX3471_11_A.43, RMX3471_11_A.44, or RMX3471_11_A.45 firmware versions update can apply for the Android 13 Open Beta program. Realme has put out a list of disclaimers to be noted before applying to the program, including making sure the phone is not rooted, backing up your personal data, and ensuring that the available phone storage is more than 5 GB, among others. As mentioned earlier, the Realme 9 Pro 5G launched in India in February this year, features a 120Hz refresh rate display and is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 SoC. The smartphone carries a triple rear camera setup led by 64-megapixel primary sensor. It has a 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W Dart Charge fast charging. Realme 9 Pro 5G comes in two different configurations and customers can opt for up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Realme 9 Pro 5G has 8.5 mm thickness and the smartphone weighs 195 grams.